So we got this Kodak camera. It's a film camera, as you can see right there. The film has been taken out. So we're just going to start off. We're going to drill right into the lens here. Oh man, the lens is glass. Got it. All those, that's like a lot of glass, I think. So, close it, there you go, take your pictures. See if it went through to the other side. Not quite, so let's get that. There we go, we're through now. Okay, that's pretty much the lens taken care of. So let's give it a good hammer whack here. Oh! Got a nice flash there. Don't know if you saw that. Let's whack it again. Here's the batteries. Save those, they're actually good. I don't need this battery door anymore. It's not gonna come off though. There we go. Man, that flash really got in my eyes. Let's open this door. Take that off. Give it a good. Alright, so we've made it into the main camera part. Ignore any of the other stuff on the ground. We smashed something else here. We got some buttons. Okay, there's the LED for, we can save that. It's the LED for the, when the flash is ready. We're gonna cut that. Well, I don't know, we really don't need that. Gone now, okay. We'll just smash it a few more times and be done with it. There's the capacitor. Some of the circuitry there. It's not too complex. Film roll. Ah! This could be useful though. It's the flash. We'll save that. So, that's really about it, honestly. The rest of it's just plastic and wires. Thanks for watching.